Hello NCTI friends, David Hoyt here with another Hoyt off the press for you. In this video installment, we will look back at the highlights of the 2023 Cable-Tec Expo, including the MasterTech Hall of Fame, 360-degree virtual fiber trailer, fiber course updates, and this year's cable games. Another fantastic year welcoming MasterTechs and Senior MasterTechs to the booth, finding their name on the wall, bestowing ribbons, and sharing stories. At the time of this video, we have inducted over 6,800 Master Technicians and Senior Master Technicians into our Hall of Fame, but that number is growing quickly. Along with the popularity of the MasterTech Hall of Fame, NCTI's custom 360-degree virtual fiber trailer was a big hit. Booth visitors explored the virtual fiber trailer and experienced a uniquely informative method to learn about the most in-demand fiber tools and resources. Individuals could navigate the trailer, select their tool or resource, and choose their learning medium, whether it was high-res images, short videos, or text. NCTI has completed its update and release of its two flagship fiber courses, Fiber Installation and Activation, and Fiber Testing and Maintenance. Both courses received an extensive update, including a new skin, look and feel, learning engagements, including interactive videos with questions built right in, high-resolution images, and more. Fiber's hot, and NCTI has the training to maximize knowledge and provide a distinct learning advantage. The SCTE International Cable-Tec Games, always exciting and super competitive. 28 competitors representing 23 chapters battled it out, and this year, Dosty Hedges from Cox Communications took home the coveted gold medal as the overall winner of the games. Dosty represented the SCTE Cactus chapter. Congratulations, Dosty, and to all this year's finalists. Well done. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for checking out this installment of Hoyt Off the Press. Take care of yourself and help each other.